Mel from Stocksbridge Guitar Tech. We're here with lesson 5. Today we're going to do something a little bit different, so no more chords for today, well, no new ones anyway. So I thought we'd learn just that basic strumming pattern that I was playing there. Now I was using the two chords, C major and G major. It doesn't matter which chords you use. You can use any of the chords that we've learned so far for this strumming pattern. So let's go to a little close-up and we'll see what I'm doing here, mainly with the right hand. The important thing to remember with strumming is that we keep this arm moving, and we're going to count in eights. So if we have a 4-bar count like 1, 2, 3, 4, we're going to count in eights. So we're going to count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and on the actual counts of 1, 2, 3 and 4 we want to be playing a down strum, and on the and we want to be playing an up strum. So we're going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So I suggest you use a metronome for this exercise and set it very slow at first, about 60 beats per minute, which is what this one's set to. One and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So get used to counting first and get used to that motion of keeping that arm rocking. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. The trick is we don't want to be hitting the strings on every beat, or we'll just get. Which is okay probably for some songs, but we want to create a little bit of rhythm, so we're going to be doing. So we'll zoom in a bit so you can get a better look at what I'm doing. So let's start with a C chord, and we're going to go down, then we're going to come up but not hit the string, so down, up, then we're going down again, down, and again up without hitting the strings, and then down, up, hitting the strings. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So on the first 2 beats we're only playing on the down strokes, the 1 and the 2. So 1 and 2 and then on beats 3 and 4 we're playing on the 3 and also on the and. So 3 and 4 and. So again, the first 2 beats, 1 and 2 and then beats 3 and 4, 3 and 4 and. So all together we've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, up, down, everyone. So I hope you enjoyed that lesson, bit of a change for you. So go away, practice that strumming pattern. It's down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. That's the lesson for today, folks, and I hope you'll join me for lesson 6 on the next one. Please remember to subscribe and click that little bell notification icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye for now.